हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग एकेडमी। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द टर्म building in civil engineering is used to mean a structure having various components like foundations, walls, columns, floor, roof, doors, windows, ventilators, stairs, lifts, various types of surface finishes, etc. As a civil engineer, it is essential to acquire a good knowledge of construction of various components of buildings. As per National Building Code of India, buildings are classified into 9 groups based on the occupancy. Group A, residential buildings. Group B, educational buildings. Group C, institutional buildings. Group D, assembly buildings. Group E, business buildings. Group F, mercantile buildings. Group G, industrial buildings. Group H, storage buildings. And Group I, hazardous buildings. Now one by one we will discuss all type of buildings. First one, residential buildings. This shall include one or two private dwellings, apartment houses or flats, dormitories, hotels, etc. Now the next is educational buildings. This shall include any building used for school, college or daycare purposes involving assembly for instruction, education or recreation. Now the next type of building is institutional building. This shall include any building or part of which is used for purposes such as medical or other treatment or care of persons suffering from physical or mental illness or disease, care of infants, convalescent of aged persons, and for the penal of detention in which the liberty of the inmates is restricted. Institutional buildings ordinarily provide sleeping accommodation for the occupants. It includes hospitals, sanatoria, nursing homes, orphanage, jails, prisons, mental hospitals, reformatories, etc. Assembly buildings. This shall include any building or the part of building where a group of people gather for amusement, recreation, social, religious, periodic, civil, travel and similar purposes. For example, theaters, motion picture houses, assembly halls, auditoria, exhibition halls, museums, skating rinks, gymnasium, restaurants, places of worship, dance halls, club rooms, passenger stations, and terminal of air, surface, marine, and the public transportation services include one or two private dwellings, apartment houses, and dormitories, hotels, etc. Now the next type of building is business buildings. This shall include any building or part of building which is used for transaction of businesses, for the keeping of account and the record for similar purposes. City halls, town halls, courthouses, libraries shall be classified in this group insofar as the principal function of this is transaction of public business and the keeping of books and the records. Now the next type of buildings are mercantile buildings. This shall include any building or part of building which is used for shops, stores, market, for display and sale of merchandise, either wholesale or retail. Next buildings are industrial buildings. This shall include any building or part of building or structure in which products or materials of all kinds and the properties are fabricated, assembled or processed. For example, refineries, gas plants, mills, dairies, industries, etc. Storage buildings. This shall include any building or part of building primarily for the storage or sheltering of goods, ware or merchandise like warehouses, cold storage, freight depot, transit sheds, garages, hangars, grain elevators, stables, etc. And the last type is hazardous buildings. This shall include any building or part of building which is used for storage, handling, manufacture or processing of highly combustible explosive materials or products which are liable to burn with extreme rapidity or which may produce the poisonous fumes or explosions. For storage, handling, manufacturing or processing which involves highly corrosive, toxic or non-toxic alkalis, acids or other liquids or chemicals producing flame, fumes and explosives, etc. Thank you so much for watching video. If you like this content, please share it and subscribe the channel.